Hi, this is Scott Erickson with DTG, and we're here at Graphics of the Americas 2011 in Orlando, Florida. What we're showing here at Graphics of the Americas is complete digital color managed solutions from capture to finishing. What we've got in our booth are digital camera systems from Canon and Hasselblad, color management solutions from X-Rite, computer workstations from Apple and Dell, CTP solutions from Epson, and proofing solutions also from Epson. We've also got some wide format print for pay printers from Canon, as well as dry tack lamination solutions. So what we're going to do is myself, Gary Barker, and Sal Passanisi are going to briefly talk about each component in the system and how they integrate with each other. So let's get started. Digital color starts with capture, and at DTG we sell Epson flatbed scanners as well as Hasselblad and Canon digital camera systems. What we've got here on a tripod is a Canon 7D 35mm digital SLR, and we're shooting a scene that we're later going to proof and print on Epson printers, as well as take through a complete CTP workflow. So, as we mentioned, all of our systems from input to monitors to output are all color managed. What we're doing here is shooting the X-Rite digital color checker passport. And what this allows us to do is manage and build ICC profiles for our camera. And this basically maps all of the colors to an accurate color space so that we can capture color as accurately as possible and then communicate that through the entire digital color workflow. After we've captured the image, it's essential that we work and retouch on a color managed monitor. Now we can do that with an Apple display or a Dell or any aftermarket display with the X-Rite i1 Display 2 calibration system. This basically will build, calibrate, and create a profile that allows us to accurately see the colors in our images and documents. Now these systems, when you use an i1 Display 2 on a Apple or Dell, it calibrates through the video card. A good solution, but not the best out there. We also offer solutions from NEC, LaCie, and AZO that feature direct hardware calibration. Direct hardware calibration actually talks directly to the monitor and the lookup tables in those monitors. So instead of calibrating an 8-bit video card, you're actually calibrating and profiling through 12 or 14 bits on your color accurate monitor. This leads to a much more accurate profile with a lot better highlight and shadow detail. So again, X-Rite color management solutions, i1 Display 2, and direct hardware calibratable monitors from NEC, AZO, and LaCie.
Good morning, my name is Sal Passanisi. I'm Director of Pro Media Technologies and Proofing here at DTG. We're at the Graphics of the Americas show in Orlando, Florida. We're very excited to introduce our CTP3 systems. We have a whole line of systems from poly inline to nearline solutions in aluminum on all three Epson sizes. It's a very dynamic booth. Took us a lot to put it together, but we're going to go through each solution and the workflow. One thing that these do, they're chemical-free plate. They're good for 20 to 30,000 impressions on the aluminum plate. On the poly plate, they're good to 10 to 15,000 impressions, and we've gotten incredible results. Right now, I'm actually printing an aluminum plate off the Epson CTP 7900 edition. It comes with a nearline baking unit, so the plate is imaged with the cyan ink. The ink is then cured onto the plate, and then we can make a proof, plates, and go to press. The quality of the systems are phenomenal. My background is I own 2 Quickmaster DIs and a GTO DI and a printing company in Cincinnati, Ohio, which I sold in 2006. So I've made quite a few plates in my time, especially online and inline imaging. So the key is, what we've got is a 175 line screen printed sheet off a 2-color GTO DI. The actual plate that came off the Epson that made the printed sheet from the GTO, 2-color. A piece of paper that we can use to proof, dot-based proof, same dot as proof, goes on press in some of our RIP solutions. So the key is the quality of the printed sheet. So the Epson is now imaging an aluminum plate. The plate will be imaged. As it comes out, it'll be taken to the oven and cured, which we'll show you in a couple minutes. But when the plate comes out, you get an aluminum plate, cured and ready to go. So that's the Epson CTP 7900 edition. It's bundled with the EFI Express RIP. We're going to move over now and look at our super wide edition. We're featuring our super wide plate setting system with our CTP philosophy. What we're looking at is an Epson 9900 proofing edition with our plate setting retrofit and our color burst RIP. This kit can be added to any 8 series or 900 series printer. What we're featuring here is the Spectra Proofer online as well. The proofer can make the same dot-based proof that will end up on the plate. So the dots you see on the proof are the dots you see on the plate. We're also able to certify the proof for color. So we can actually take the inline Spectro and certify the proof for color to a Grackle, Swap, or ISO standard. Right now I'm imaging a dot-based proof on the system. The system's super easy to use, but the most important thing about this solution is the ability to do print for profit. DTG's power and RGB workflows can bring you into the capabilities of doing large format poster board for litigation support, for trade shows. We can do ultra good canvas prints for the decor market. We can get you into the backlit market for retail. We have the power to take you to the next level of profit with large format. So the CTP is never idle. It makes plates and it makes print for profit proofs. So we're proofing, plating, and printing. That's our CTP strategy. Right now I'm imaging a proof on the image setting system. The 9900 is a very quick system. Ultra high ink set based on hexachrome. It uses an orange and a green. The whole system, complete with a RIP, would be under $10,000 or a retro kit for under $5,000. The color burst RIP also comes with stochastic screening and an up to 175 line screen. The key to the system is, once we image a proof with the exact same dot structure as what's going to go on the plate, we then image the plates at up to 175 line screen. These are 6mm aluminum plates. They're good for a 20 to 30,000 impression run. And this is actually a press sheet off a 2-color GTO that we've run at 175 line screen. So you're going to see the quality is very, very high. So we basically have what we call a far line solution. We put the plate curing unit in the press room. So we image our plates, take them to the press room. The press man bakes the plate for 3 minutes, and the plates are ready to go onto the press. So right now our proof is coming out. We're going to move over next to our inline solution that's poly. All 3 systems can run both aluminum and poly material. It's a DTG exclusive. And we have 3 different RIP technologies in the booth, so we have a RIP that fits any of your needs. Thanks, and we're going to move on to the 4900 Proofing Edition. Moving on in our CTP3 philosophy, I'd like to introduce the 4900 based inline polyester solution, a collaboration of Vim Technologies USA, Epson, and DTG. This is a high volume solution for poly, good to 10 to 15,000 impressions. It's based on the Epson HDR technology, so you've got an orange and green in here. What we're doing right now is imaging polyester plates at 175 line screen. The plates are imaged with the cyan ink through the 4900. They're then taken into the plate curing unit, where they come out after they're cured into an inline stacker, very good for high volume shops. The plate then comes out. It's a polyester plate ready to be mounted on the press. No special chemistry to bit the plate in, so it's a heat cured plate. Besides the plate setting, the RIP is able to drive multiple devices, so if you've got an HP in your shop or another large format device, the Wasatch RIP can drive both. It's a print for pay, it's a proof, and a CTP RIP. The other types of things that you can do with an Epson system is very, very high quality, very, very high profit photographic prints. So for giclée or photographers or frame shops, besides doing plates, the machine will make you money in the print for profit marketplace. So the 4900 is a very, very cost-effective inline solution. It's about $9,000. That's complete. We have a startup training and support package that goes with it. The plate material is very, very cost-effective and competitive with anything out there. Besides running the poly plate material, the exact same system can run aluminum plates, so you get a high-quality, higher-run plate. So the ability for this system to bring you into the CTP3 marketplace using inkjet technology, you're getting tomorrow's technology at today's pricing. It's an amazing system, and look forward to talking to you about workflows.
Hi, we're standing here next to the Canon 6350, one of Canon's 12 color printers. These printers are available in 17-inch wide, 24-inch, 44-inch, and 60-inch. Some of the key features about this product: it comes with various software. Plug-in for Photoshop, which is an excellent plug-in. Comes with a job management software, which allows you to calculate your ink and your paper costs for each of your print jobs. It also comes with Poster Artist. Poster Artist is a template-based program that makes designing posters and signs and banners, point of purchase products, very easy, very quick, very professional looking. The printers feature a hard drive which allows you to store jobs, so if you need to do a reprint or if you need to calculate or pull up previous print jobs, you're able to do so right from the printer. You don't even have to go back to the computer. Canon's an excellent choice for quality, an excellent choice for speed, and comes with many, many user-friendly features that making it very intuitive and easy to operate. Hi, we're here next to the Canon 9000S. This is in their S-Series printer. It's an 8-color printer versus 12. That's going to give you 40% more print speed. It also comes in various sizes, the 24-inch, the 44-inch, and the 60-inch version that you see here. It's great for high production environments. It's great for poster, fine art reproduction, photographic lab work, where production is the most critical feature. The quality again is excellent, similar to the 12-color unit, but with increased speeds. It also features some of the same benefits, some of the same Microsoft plugins, the Photoshop plugins, and the job management software. So an excellent choice for a production environment. One of the final steps in finishing your prints will be actually the finishing step with a wide format laminator and mounter. We're here with the DryTac Jet mounter, the 63-inch version. They also come in smaller sizes all the way down to smaller tabletop for small poster size work. These mounters are great for protecting your finished print with an over-laminate. Various finish types are available, various textures are available. The machines come in both cold with a heat assist, and also a heat laminator. So based on what your needs are, both in size and finishing needs, we have a selection of laminators that will do the trick for you. We all want to have our businesses be reliable and secure. One of the product lines that we feature is the LaCie product line. They specialize in storage products from individual uses with USB keys, rugged hard drives that are very lightweight, very portable, and very secure for your data, all the way up to hard drives for the small business use. And even for larger businesses, we have an enterprise line, which is great for large volume of data that needs protected. If you're not using a RAID system, you need to check out LaCie's RAID systems as well. Not only do you secure your information, but you have redundancy so that if you do have hard drive failure, it's not the end of the world. LaCie also carries a product of color accurate monitors, which we'll go over in a later video. Hi, we're next to the StarLam liquid coater. And for production environments, both for fleet graphics, for fine art reproduction, the liquid coater is an excellent option to give you long-term durability of your print, and the cost is extremely effective. It's also very much less labor intensive. It's a roll-to-roll coater, so you'll put the printed roll on one side, it'll begin the coating process, and it comes out the other side cured and ready for final finishing or installation. You can purchase these units very effectively. They do come with training and installation, as well as a starter kit of liquid to get you up and running. An excellent choice for production environments.